Global Gastronomy, a journey through world's popular food. Welcome, food enthusiasts, to an extraordinary culinary adventure. In this fascinating YouTube content, we'll tantalize your taste buds as we explore the diverse flavors and iconic dishes from around the world. Join us as we embark on a mouth-watering journey through the names, countries, and culinary delights of some of the world's most popular foods. The art of pizza, Italy's irresistible creation. Our first stop takes us to Italy, the birthplace of pizza. Delve into the origins of this universally loved dish and discover the secrets behind the perfect crust, tangy tomato sauce, and melty cheese. We'll explore the variations from Naples to New York, tasting the flavors that have captured the hearts and stomachs of people worldwide. Prepare to savor the rich history and deliciousness of pizza. Sushi sensation, Japan's culinary delicacy. Next, we jet off to Japan, where we uncover the delicate art of sushi. Dive into the traditions and meticulous techniques behind this ancient cuisine, as we explore the different types of sushi rolls and sashimi. From the fresh, raw fish to the perfectly seasoned rice, we'll experience the harmony of flavors and textures that make sushi a beloved global sensation. Spices of India, the vibrant tapestry of flavors. Prepare your taste buds for an explosion of flavors as we explore the aromatic and diverse cuisine of India. From the fiery curries of the north to the fragrant biryanis of the south, we'll journey through a land of spices and intricate recipes. Discover the regional specialties and the cultural significance behind each dish. Experience the rich tapestry of flavors that have made Indian cuisine a favorite worldwide. The allure of chocolate, Belgium's sweet masterpiece. Indulge in the seductive world of chocolate as we venture to Belgium, the chocolate capital of the world. Immerse yourself in the craftsmanship and decadence of Belgian chocolate. From creamy pralines to velvety truffles, we'll savor the rich and velvety delights that have made Belgian chocolate an international sensation. Discover the artistry and passion behind this irresistible treat. Tacos and tamales, Mexico's flavorful fiesta. Our culinary expedition wouldn't be complete without a visit to Mexico, the land of vibrant flavors and fiesta. Experience the explosion of tastes found in authentic Mexican cuisine, from the sizzling street tacos to the savory tamales. We'll explore the rich heritage and cultural significance of these traditional dishes, celebrating the ingredients and techniques that make Mexican food an absolute delight. Pad Thai, Thailand's tangy. Embark on a culinary adventure to Thailand and discover the secrets of making authentic Pad Thai. From creating the tantalizing tamarind-based sauce to mastering the balance of sweet, sour, and spicy flavors, we'll guide you through recreating this popular street food. Unleash your wok skills as we sauté noodles, shrimp, tofu, and an assortment of fresh vegetables. Croissant, France's buttery delicacy. Transport yourself to a Parisian cafe as we uncover the art of making flaky and buttery croissants. Learn the technique of laminating the dough to achieve those delicate layers, and savor the aroma that fills your kitchen as they bake to golden perfection. Indulge in the taste of France with these delectable pastries. As our tantalizing journey through world's popular foods comes to an end, we hope you've been inspired to explore the diverse culinary wonders that our planet offers. From the pizza ovens of Italy to the sushi bars of Japan, from the spice markets of India to the chocolate boutiques of Belgium, and from the taco stands of Mexico, there is a world of flavors waiting to be savored. So, grab your passport, sharpen your knives, and let your taste buds guide you on your next global culinary adventure. Thank you for joining Earth Girl Food Adventure on this mouth-watering expedition through world's popular foods. If you found this video as delightful as we did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delectable travel and food content.